Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and welcome to my tiny closet. Because it's so tiny, that is why I love the Giftol Space Saver hangers. This is a game changer. I use them for my coats, my sweaters, my skirts, my tops, everything. The metal is super sturdy, does not bend. I've never seen them break. What I really love is I've had something similar before and the edges were pointy and I would stab my hands on it, but these ones are so well rounded. I've never cut myself, stabbed myself. It is such a big difference. It's so nice to be able to add a new item of clothing, a new outfit, even though you have very little space to work with. It really has made it easy for me to stay on my side of the closet and not take over my husband's. I am a huge fan for any item that allows me to use the full potential of the space that I have. And if you are in a situation where you need to save some more space, this is the perfect hanger for you. And that's my point of view.